says first.
Come on, Anchors, get him. Get him, Anchors.
There you go, Bubby. Hi, pretty green eyes. Look how Anchors is light. Battle of the green eyes. That's the blonde boy, green eyes. Maybe they're twins.
Brothers from a different mother.
Yep. Or they once were twins. And now they're like, yay, we found each other, and we're